And of course, the rain comes in at the perfect moment, exact time. Now it's raining, and I have a zombie get the from me. This is not the time to come up to me while I'm in a mad mood. You stupid zombie. Hi, did you die? Just say so.
Yes, bro.
You died, Kai. Okay, you died. Yep, so I have to kill myself, right? And after this, we have to keep doing the same over and over, right? Right, Kai?
But we have to go.
Right?
But we have to go in the
Okay, Kyle, let's just start fighting in this. I'm about to go in your room to beat you. Have a shield, relax.
Behind you!